First open Start and type Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Expand Network Adapter. Right-click your network adapter and click on Uninstall Device. Now restart. Now your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administration. Now enter the following command and press Enter. Press Enter. Press Enter. Type Exit and press Enter. Now restart and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Start and type Network Reset. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset now. Now restart. Press Yes. Now your problem should be fixed.